Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the auto mop washing settings on your DREAME X30 Ultra. To do it, find Customize right here, then go to Dock Settings. Now you can go to Wash, and you can enable hot water washing. You can enable auto wash, which means that after the robot returns, it will wash the mop pads. And then there's also washing mode, which is basically the water used. Then you can also go to cleaning settings here, and if you have a mode selected that includes mopping, you can change the mop washing frequency to by area, let's say 20 square meters, which means after cleaning 20 square meters, it will return to the station, clean the mops and go back to cleaning. You can also set it to by time, 20 amount of minutes, or by room, which means after every room. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.